Hello curious young people, in this video we talk about the alkenes, mainly its nomenclature, some examples and of course a brief introduction to help us understand a little more this functional group. Let's start!
Alkenes are hydrocarbons with carbon-carbon double bonds. Sometimes the alkenes are called olefins, a term derived from olefin gas, which means oil-forming gas. This term originated when the first investigators realized the oily appearance of alkene derivatives.
Introduction of nomenclature. The main chain of an alkene is a chain with the largest amount of double bonds as long as possible. If there are several options, choose the one with the largest number of triple bonds, if any, later with a greater number of substituents. We must bear in mind that to form the name this letter and number there is a dash. Between a letter and letter there are no space, and between number and number, comma, and substituents are arranged in alphabetical order.
Named substitute. To name substituents, the chain root is first placed by carbon numbers meth, eth, prop, etc., followed by the number of the locator, after number prefix di, tri, tetra, etc., with an I termination.
The main chain. The chain root is named by number of carbon, followed by the locator number where the double bond is found, followed by the quantity prefix with ending in.
Example number 1. Here we have the compound in skeletal formula, an alkane and alkene, but are named similarly. First, we identify the main chain and list the carbons. In this case, the numeration of alkene is irrelevant, is a no-name. But for alkene, the double bond with the minor locator must be listed. We assign the corresponding quantity prefix and the ending in.
So our compound is a non-1 in.
Example number 2. The same as the previous one, the main chain is located. The locators and the substituents are listed. We have an ethylene carbon number 9, so our alkene is called 9-ethyltridec-1,3-DN.
Example number 3. We locate our main chain and our substituents. Here we observe a very common substituent. It is an isopropyl. This alkene is called 7-isopropyl-5-methyldeck-4-N.
In this case, we have repeated substituents because the quantity prefixes are used before the name of the substituents. There is also a cycle. To name it, we put the number of the locator plus a hyphen and the word cycle, followed by the prefix quantity for the number of carbons it has, and the ending al because it only has simple links. Following the previous order, our alkene is called 5-cyclohexyl-9-11-dimethyl-heptadec-2,12-diene.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye!